Hello everybody, this is Cami. So stuff will be met birth Royce by identification card only. You remember the dog park up there in Fort Walton Beach? Down near Mary Esther? Or down near Mary Esther Cutoff. Wow, look at the sidewalk. In Fort Smith. A little girl, this guy comes by carrying this little girl on his shoulders, and she gives a look at it, and she says, dog. That right there is a United Methodist, that one, church. It's the same thing in the dog park in Fort Walton Beach. And the cat and mouse game did continue, and that's where I laid my assignment. Assignment finished. Thank you, YouTube, for your support.